What? We discovered lemon ribs. Now it's time to perfect them. Remember that we did the lemon ribs? Well, actually it was like a citrus experiment. We tested lime, lemon, and we put them on the ribs with salt and nothing further. Then brined them and smoked them. And they turned out great. But there's something there. There's something that was a decisive moment where we tested one of the slices of oranges with salt and we chewed on it and it was mind-blowing good. So today we're going further on that topic, trying to focus in on what's really good with that invention and trying to make it even better and see if we can make something. Well, Morrison, we might be on the verge of discovering something that's going to change the rib cooking world forever. I'm talking about this. This is smoked salted lemon. Yesterday I cut up a lot of lemons. I put salt on them and then I put them in the Burnhard smoker and smoked them for 4 hours at a temperature of 140 degrees Celsius until they were dried out and until they were fully crispy. And this is the end results. I got 2 trays. Some look like this. This one fell down into the bottom of the tray and it burned. This is no good. This has become bitter. You don't want this, so we'll just throw that away. Some turned out like this, and that's also no good. This is still a little bit sticky and that's not gonna work well for our rub. Most of them actually look like this. They're smoked, they're salty, and they're completely dry. This is absolutely perfect. It's time to put our lemon slices in the coffee grinder. I'm gonna grind down small batches and put them in a glass jar. And keep on grinding till I've grinded down everything nice and fine. Then it's time to make a barbecue rub out of this. Consisting of 1 part lime slices, half a part salt, and half a part ground black pepper. Mix that up and your rub is done. We just created the most amazing basic rub. And you can use this as a steak rub. Basically a lemon and, well, smoked lemon and pepper with a little bit of salt. And man, look at that. It looks so freaking good. It's amazing. Oh, that lemon flavor, it's so intense. It's just crazy. It's like, it's so powerful in your mouth. Now, if you want, you can add all kinds of things to this, like a little bit of garlic, a little bit of onion powder, make it even more amazing. But I want to have this basic version first on my ribs because you know I like my just naked salty ribs. I think this is the perfect steak rub that could go on ribs and make them super amazing. So I'm just gonna quickly take the membrane off of these ribs so we can put our rub on them. Rib Ninja! That's how we do it. And then we're gonna just hit it with a beautiful new made rub. And look at how easy this is to do. This is like everybody can do this at home. You don't have to go and buy these expensive rubs. Of course, you can, and like some are good value for money, but look, come on. For a factory to make this, it's gonna be super expensive. And for you to buy some lemons and just put them on the barbecue, besides it's just being fun, come on, this is so cool. We can have this while nobody else can. And it gives our ribs this amazing dark color. Look at this. That was a Mr. Bean laugh. That's bad. Let's fire up our Burnhard smoker. I set up the Burnhard smoker to smoke at a temperature of around 130 degrees Celsius. Now it's time to put our ribs on. And oh my God, do they look good. Beautiful iberico ribs with smoked lemon and pepper rub. I think these are gonna take around maybe 4 hours to cook, but we'll see because I've been wrong in the past. I'm never wrong, Marcia. This is the moment where you say, no boss, you're never wrong. It's official. These are some of the best looking ribs we cooked in a long time. You know, the problem is with these ribs, Morrison just almost wanted to not record the end of the video and just eat the ribs. See, that's how bad this is. I had to put him in the back of the camera and threaten him, well, all kinds of things just to keep him there. So I'm gonna keep this short. We're now moving to the test phase. Only one.
One?
One.
Oh.
Whoa.
I'm taking one, but a big one. But a big one.
Before I bite into this, like I got this little end here, this little butt. Can we appreciate how juicy this is? How crazy juicy that. Of course, these are iberico ribs. They're the high quality ones. And we did a video on high quality versus low quality, and we enjoyed the low quality more than we did the high quality. But when you do it with rub like this, whoa, I'm really happy that we took the high quality ones.
Oh God. I think we just created a new flavor. This doesn't exist yet. Wow.
What? Only one.
No. Oh.
Only. This is a bomb. This is the bomb. You don't really bite. It's like more like, and then from the juices. Then you get the flavor like, the lemon comes in because these ribs are quite fatty ribs. Don't worry, I got this. And then make it like, wow.
Amazing. What more to say? You gotta try this. No, forget about all the other stuff that we said about lemon and putting things on. Do this, please do this. Take this advice. Just get a couple of lemons, smoke them, put them in the oven. You can even do this in the oven. Then scramble it and make this amazing rub. You gotta make this.
But the thing is, like, I didn't expect them to be this good because it's not like we did something really difficult here.
No.
This is just like maybe the easiest thing ever. We could make this the new cryptocurrency. If you hack, if you can make this like, they look like crypto mining.
Yeah.
This is like rib mining. This is crazy good. This is worth more than gold. Hope you guys enjoyed our video. Big thank you to our patrons and the YouTube members. Hope to see you guys next time. Until then.
Eet smakelijk.
And keep on grilling. That's right.